HBM Machines, the biggest technical shop of the Netherlands. We're convinced that people just choose the best, and to work with the best to get your job done as easy as possible. With 50 years of experience, the company has become one of the largest of its kind. Our offline and online shop offers you powerful and useful tools to create everything you have in mind, for professionals, but also for the starter. A very wide range of reliable equipment for metal, steel, wood, and automotive sectors, and affordable tools to do your job as best as possible. Our staff is happy to give you all the service you need. With our 1,400 square meter showroom and over 30,000 square meters of warehousing, we offer only the best. Offline and online for you. HBM Machines.